everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Angela, and I am a newly transitioned natural hair enthusiast as of April 2019. But I haven't had a perm since 2011. Yeah, 2011. So I haven't had a perm in a while. So just heat damage. Anyways, go ahead down below and hit subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up. You can do it now or do it at the end of the video. Just as long as you remember it all is good by me. So today I am going to do a twist out. This will be my first time doing a twist out. I have not done a twist out on my hair, and usually I kind of see how it's gonna go before I come on here and make a fool of myself. But this is all about learning, and I really need to cut this part.
Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise will never change. Are you gonna
Twist out. So today I'm gonna use these sample packs that I was sent from Suave Professionals, the Nourish and Strengthen Leave-In Conditioner for natural curly and coily hair. So they sent me these 2 packs of them, and this is how they look. And I don't know if this is enough. So usually I split my hair into 4 sections, even doing the leave-in, but I'm just gonna split it into 2 and just apply as much as I can of the leave-in conditioner. My hair is freshly washed. I just did an aloe vera treatment. Mask, aloe vera mask. And then I washed it. And then I did the Aussie 3-minute conditioner. Because I really didn't have the energy to sit up under a dryer. Oh, it's actually a lot in this little pack, y'all. Okay, so, I mean, it's enough. It's not to where I feel like I'm just like, oh my God, I don't have enough. I need more. Like, it's fine. Usually I drench my hair in leave-in conditioner, but it's fine. I drench my hair actually in products, period. But since I'm doing a twist out, usually when I do twist outs and braid outs, I actually don't put that much product because it takes longer for my hair to dry the more product you put on it. And I think that's really anyone's hair. So yeah, the more product you put on this stuff, it takes longer to dry. So I'm going to do the 2-strand twist out, and I'm going to do like a flat twist as well for this front of my hair. And I'm just going to do them kind of like straight down like this, just so I can try to avoid some of this hair that don't want to let me be great in the front. And so right now I'm just raking all the product through my hair. And this is the leave-in conditioner by the Suave Naturals. I really wanted to try it. So far, it feels nice and soft. It smells good. Yeah, I could smell it even when putting it on my hair. I like the way it smells. I mean, it's it seems like a little bit goes a long way. I mean, it does. It seemed like it did the job. It did good. Oh my God, I'm still finding aloe vera thick pieces in my hair. Lord have mercy. Okay, so we're just gonna twist this up and pin it up. Oh my God, I left my clips in the shower. I'll be back. Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I don't even know why I read that, because this is something that I use all the time. Anyways, this is what I'm going to use for my twist or curl defining kind of deal. My light is like blinding it. There you go. And for the gel, I'm going to use the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. And this, I used this once for my wash and go. I have not used it for a twist out or braid out or anything like that. But I love this stuff. This worked so good with my wash and go. It was very lightweight. It was defined really good. And for my wash and goes, I noticed that my hair does better if I don't use a twisting cream or anything like that, because my hair is really heavy when I do use one. It gets moisturized and stuff like that, but it'd be really heavy, and I like my wash and goes to feel light and fluffy and airy, and I like them to dry quick. Like, the real talk, I like them to dry really quick. I don't like it to be all day, because I do diffuse, but just not right away. I'm not gonna flat twist the back, but I am going to do just a 2-strand twist. Now for the 2-strand twist, I'm going to braid it first, and then I'm going to 2-strand twist it. And this is because my roots get so thick, and I don't want them to start getting tangled and stuff like that. So they don't get like that everywhere, but I'm just gonna do it like that everywhere, because as you can see, my roots back here, they're pretty, they're not really dry or anything like that, and they don't really poof up too much, but up here they do. And so I'm just gonna do it throughout my whole head. I'm not gonna use much of the Shea Moisture. So I'm first gonna put this on, and I'm just gonna smooth it in. Okay, so like I said before, I'm going to braid it first to kind of just lock the root in, so to speak. I hate braiding. I'm gonna let y'all know that much. I can't stand braiding. And I don't know how to French braid, so that's why I never do. You'll never really see me do the flat like braid outs or French braids until I learn them, because I don't know how to do them. Okay. Okay, so I did like just that much of a braid. Then I'm going to separate this middle piece, and I'm just gonna twist the rest. Well, and I just want to kind of get it as smooth as I can, which is why I went back in with the brush. And so now I'm just twisting it down as tight as I can. I'm not doing a loose twist. I'm doing a tight twist, just to let you know. Area. So this is the twist. And it's looking good. It's looking good. I like it. So I'm going to now cut you guys off and kind of speed through the rest of my hair, because I had... Okay, so I finished the back. And it's the 3 twist, like I was saying. And I braided the roots. Now, I'm nervous for this front, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. And what did I say? I said like 3. I lied. 1, 2, 3. This boy look like 4. I don't know. I may be able to make it 3. I don't know. We're gonna see. And I don't have no comb on me, and I'm not making no perfect part because I don't feel like it. So just gonna use my finger, and that feels too thick already. Okay, let's make this one thinner. And so I'm not the best at flat twist at all. Like, I'll watch some tutorials, and it seemed like none of them are really clear about whether I take hair from both ends or just one end. I don't know, but don't y'all judge me, because this ain't the perfect twist out YouTube video. That's not what the title is gonna be. It's gonna be just a twist out, because I wanted to try it on my hair. Y'all already know what it is. This is every video. They are never asleep. They are never sitting down, watching TV, being quiet little kids. They are like, nah, where is the party? Okay, so I decided to come back while I do this flat twist out instead of coming back when my whole head is finished. So y'all won't be like, dang, y'all, you ain't even show us. So I'm gonna show y'all my struggle. And then the next one, the next video, well, maybe not the next one, but one of my videos gonna show the 3-strand twist. And y'all gonna see my struggle on that one too. Okay, I'm gonna put some more on the ends just in case. I'm nervous, y'all, I'm nervous. Okay, let me brush this out. I know it look like I'm brushing all hard and stuff, but I promise I'm not. Because I finger detangle as I'm putting the products on and stuff like that. Okay, y'all see this? Woo! Okay, so I am done. I don't like the way this one really came out. It's loose, and I kept trying to get it tighter, but I felt like it wouldn't go that tight because, you know, my own, you know, curls really aren't locked in there. And even when I, you know, kind of twist this up, it kind of just unravels back. And then look, so when I was putting this on, it came apart. And so I was like, let me just untwist it a little bit and twist it back tighter. When I untwisted it, y'all, my curl looked so nice. And I got so excited, like, oh my God, I can't wait till the morning to see them. Okay, I put the blow dryer on it a little bit on like low heat and just kind of went over the ends. As you can see, this one still looks janky. I think it did that because... Okay, mommy. Go. Here. Okay. I think it did that because I did sleep with a bonnet over it. And my satin cap is like, you know, serious business. And I think it kind of insulated it. I should have waited till they dried some or either set up under a hooded dryer for a little while and then tie my hair. Because I just let it air dry a little bit. These look really janky right here. I feel like those are gonna come out the worst, but it's fine. I'll try to mask it. I did kind of lay my edges down a little bit before, and so I'm just gonna throw some oil on my hands as I'm unraveling so we can see how this turned out. I'm horrible at unraveling too. Just to let y'all know, I'm not good at it. I create so much frizz every time I unravel. Okay. Oh, how did that piece get all crossed in the crossfire? Okay.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got old.
So, y'all see my doggone hair, right? Y'all see this bullshit? Okay. I'm gonna try to fix it, revive it. I don't know. I'm gonna try. And I'm gonna keep the video on while I'm trying.
Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe, yeah. But I wanna stay with you, and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way.
Okay, I separated it. And as y'all can see, it still look the same. It still look a hot mess. But where I think I maybe went wrong is more product. Because I didn't put that much product on it. I did put some, but it's not a lot. And also the Ancient Egyptian by Main Choice. It was, so even when I did that, used that styling gel on my wash and go before, it worked really great in my wash and go because I was just like, oh, it's lightweight. I really like it. And I think for me, for the twist out, I need something a little bit more heavier of a styling gel to kind of weigh my hair down a little bit so I won't have this big poof. But I think that's where I went wrong at. I'm gonna turn this light down some because it's blinding me. Probably y'all too. I don't even know, like, I don't even know what to do with it. I don't, because it's a mess. But I tried, y'all. Maybe y'all can redo it and do it better. But I F'd this one up. Yeah. Twist outs are not for me. Don't y'all ask me to do another god doggone twist out video until my hair is at least like right here while it's curly. And hopefully, you know, that'll be next year. I'm working on it. But until then, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.